Yet another of my on the bench videos, and yet another Audiolab 8000S integrated amplifier. You look inside and it's a very nice and clean unit. Not a bit well made unit, you could say. And the owner is complaining that the left channel is intermittent, that he has to sometimes turn it on and off a few times, and but most of the time it works well. Well, I tested it and it appears for me to work all the time. Then I started looking, what could be wrong, dirty relays or connections, and look what I found as far as the left channel plugs. Currently using third one from the left, which is auxiliary. As you see, it's all broken up. Then a few better ones, and there are some, I don't know if you can see, it's not very sharp. In there you can see these bits of plastic missing, so all of them are sort of, you can see they don't make proper contact. I'll write to Audiolab. You see that one there, it pushes out plug. Still works, but obviously not very good stuff. I'll write to Audiolab and ask them, what's the story with these connectors, and could I have some spare ones that are not broken? Thanks for watching, and once I'll fix it, will be available for sale. Thank you very much again. Bye bye.